In front of me is Realme C75, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on Display and Brightness. Now scroll again, this time to tap on Font. And choose one of those font styles to apply the best one for you. When you finished, hit Apply and wait. If you want to try something more interesting, you can always click on More. Choose Restart Theme Store and tap on More again if you see this pop up. Choose View More and wait for it to load. Tap on the best font style for you. Let's go with this one. And tap on Apply button. Then wait for it to load. Tap on Settings. Choose Allow, Allow All, and hit Apply again. This time when it's done, you can go back and check it out. If you ever want to go back to your default font style, you will find it over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!